You will get to know how you could crush a no-buy year in 2025. A no-buy year could help you save money and achieve your future goal and make your life disciplined. The last tip is going to be the most crucial one. So watch this video till the end. Now let's start. Number 1. Determine your purpose. Initially, clarify your motivation for participating in this low-buy or no-buy challenge. It's essential to cultivate the motivation that will guide you through challenging moments, especially when the temptation to indulge in shopping arises. Are you highly driven to eliminate your debt in order to transition to a new apartment? Are you worried that your expenditures on fast fashion are negatively impacting both your finances and the environment? Identify the underlying motivation for your commitment to a low-buy year and refer back to it whenever you seek encouragement. Number 2. Assess your expenditures thoroughly. Begin by assessing your current expenditures. Review your credit card statements and cash expenditures, then calculate the total amount. Understanding your spending habits will help you identify areas where you can reduce expenses. For instance, if you find yourself frequently ordering takeout 3 times a week, it may be prudent to establish a guideline to limit that expenditure. For some individuals, ordering takeout may not pose a financial concern, so implementing a restriction on it may not be particularly beneficial. It may be beneficial for individuals to establish spending guidelines that restrict clothing purchases. Understanding your individual spending habits is crucial for establishing effective financial guidelines tailored to your needs. Press the subscribe button and also the like button to know more financial tips to achieve financial success. Number 3. Select your categories. After assessing your spending habits, establish the categories for which you will implement specific guidelines. Are you considering setting boundaries on your spending for clothing, premium groceries, delivery services, various Target items, and beauty products, or perhaps a combination of these categories? It's important to recognize that these categories will vary from person to person. Therefore, obtaining a comprehensive understanding of your own spending habits is essential for establishing your personalized guidelines. Number 4. Plan for upcoming expenses. Analyzing your previous expenditures is an excellent starting point. It's essential to consider your future spending as well to ensure a successful no-buy or low-buy year. Review your calendar to assess the upcoming holidays and events. Which of those occurrences usually require a financial outlay? Events such as birthdays, weddings, and Christmas typically entail certain expenses. Consider all upcoming occasions where you expect to allocate funds, whether it's for a holiday gift or a new wardrobe addition for yourself. Equipping yourself with that information will enable you to establish guidelines regarding those events. Consider this scenario. If you typically purchase Christmas gifts for all your nieces and nephews without a set budget, it may be prudent to implement a low-buy strategy this year by allocating just $10 for each child. This could be the year you choose to focus on sending only homemade cards. There are numerous strategies to commemorate holidays and events without exceeding your financial limits. It's essential to plan for the future and explore innovative solutions. Number 5. Establish straightforward and transparent guidelines. This represents the crucial step in the process. To achieve a successful low-buy year, it's essential to keep your rules straightforward and easy to understand. Ensure that the terms are unequivocal and do not allow for any flexibility regarding additional expenditures. It's essential to enter your low-buy year with a clear understanding of your spending limits and priorities. Establishing guidelines for your spending on items such as clothing, beauty products, dining out, gifts, and other possessions can be beneficial for your financial health. For your clothing budget, Consider implementing a strategy of refraining from any new clothing purchases for the entire year. It's important to recognize that many individuals possess a sufficient wardrobe to sustain themselves for an entire year without the need to make any purchases, whether in store or online. Consider permitting yourself one or two purchases for essential items that require replacement. In addition to that, an excellent approach to initiating a low buy year is to limit all clothing acquisitions. For beauty products, consider committing to only acquiring replacement items for your beauty or personal care needs. To enhance your approach, consider committing to fully utilize all of your products before purchasing replacements and limit new acquisitions to a carefully curated, minimal list that has received prior approval. Adopting a minimalist skincare routine can be a prudent choice. For dining out, consider establishing a limit of one takeout or restaurant meal per month. There will be no exceptions. This entails removing the applications from your mobile devices and tablets, as well as eliminating those handy restaurant menus stored in your kitchen drawers. Consider focusing on creating homemade gifts and cards this year, utilizing only the supplies you currently have on hand. Consider providing your time as a valuable gift rather than allocating funds. Offering services such as babysitting, house sitting, pet sitting, or assisting with home or business tasks can be a valuable way to invest your time as a gift. Number 6. Consider engaging in this activity alongside a friend or partner. Consider enlisting a friend, roommate, or partner to join you in this endeavor. Having someone alongside you can provide accountability, motivation, and make the experience enjoyable as you tackle the challenge together. If your partner is hesitant to engage, consider encouraging their involvement by presenting your guidelines clearly and positively. This is particularly crucial if one of your budgetary guidelines includes reducing grocery expenditures or other shared household costs. Number 7. Consider initiating a gratitude practice. Consider establishing a gratitude practice if you haven't done so already. Engaging in a daily gratitude practice can help you recognize the abundance in your life, reducing the impulse to spend unnecessarily in search of fulfillment. In a year focused on minimizing purchases, cultivating gratitude for your existing possessions is essential for achieving your financial goals and curbing the desire to spend. Number 8. Remove distractions. Are you receiving numerous emails from your preferred retailers, presenting discounts and showcasing the newest arrivals? If that is the case, it would be prudent to unsubscribe from each of these. Rest assured, these options will still be available once your low-buy year concludes, allowing you to consider resubscribing at that time. However, you may discover that the desire to engage in online shopping diminishes after this period. Similarly, if you have your credit card number committed to memory, consider cutting it up and requesting a replacement. Implement strategies to limit your spending on non-essential items. It's possible that you may find yourself viewing one haul video after another on social media. Consider evaluating the amount of time you allocate to social platforms and explore alternative activities that can enhance your productivity. Number 9. Consider allocating your time to various activities. Finally, take a moment to reflect on activities you enjoy that don't require financial expenditure. At times, individuals may engage in shopping as a means to address an emotional gap or to experience a temporary thrill. However, there are numerous activities that provide enjoyment without incurring any expenses. Engaging in activities such as reading, reconnecting with friends, baking, and enjoying Netflix can be cost-effective options. These pursuits allow you to maintain enjoyment while adhering to your low-buy year goals. Watch the video appearing on the right side to know the 10 middle class endings that are keeping you poor. You must avoid these spendings if you really want to be a millionaire. Also, subscribe to our channel to know more amazing financial tips and secrets to get rich.